Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best WashPro is probably one of the most important choices you make for your laundry, impacting not only the cleanliness of your clothes but also the longevity of your fabrics and the health of your washing machine. Finding the perfect washing powder detergent requires careful consideration of factors such as cleaning power, fabric safety, scent preferences, environmental impact, and of course, your budget. Today, we'll dive deep into what makes a great washing powder, helping you navigate the world of laundry detergents and find the ideal product for your needs. Number 5. Rockin Green Active Wear Detergent. Say goodbye to stubborn sweat smells and stains. This powerful detergent is tough on odors but gentle on your clothes and skin. It's made with plant-derived ingredients, so it's safe for sensitive skin, even a baby's. Enjoy a naturally clean and fresh scent without harsh chemicals. Use it in any washing machine as a pre-soak or detergent. This concentrated formula means 1 tablespoon cleans a whole load. It's free of harsh chemicals like bleach and dyes, making it a better choice for you and the environment. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Join the Rockin Green movement and experience effective, eco-friendly cleaning. We're committed to providing safe and reliable products for your family. 1 container provides approximately 120 loads, making it an economical choice for your laundry needs. Try it today. What we like. It's made with plant-derived ingredients, making it safe even for babies and sensitive skin. If you are looking for a gentle, yet effective detergent that's kind to the environment, this is the one for you. This hypoallergenic and eco-friendly option is perfect for families with sensitive skin or those who prefer natural cleaning solutions. What people say. The Rockin Green website is brilliant. They have a very informative FAQ, as well as suggested washing cycles broken down by type of machine. Plus the small-looking bag claims to last up to 90 loads. If you have hard water and know it, hello mineral deposits on your shower and faucets, this is a great product to look into. I also really love that it's unscented. This detergent is awesome. I don't do anything special to my cloth diapers before washing, and this detergent gets them totally clean and stink-free. Number 4. Tide Mountain Spring Laundry Detergent. Experience the refreshing scent of Tide Mountain Spring. It's powerful enough to tackle even the toughest stains, leaving your clothes sparkling clean. Don't let stubborn stains win. It's got the cleaning power to remove even those that have been sitting for a week. With innovative ActiLift crystals, it lifts away dirt and grime, ensuring a deep clean for your clothes. It's formulated with eTurbo technology, giving you superior cleaning power, even on quick wash cycles. Get the same great clean in less time. It's the top choice of washing machine manufacturers, trusted for its performance and compatibility with all machine types. You can confidently use it in your heat or regular machine. It comes from America's favorite detergent brand, Tide. You know you're getting quality and results you can trust. What we like. This detergent attacks even 7-day-old stains with its ActiLift crystals and eTurbo technology. If you need a powerful detergent that tackles tough stains and works in quick cycles, this is your best bet. It's from America's #1 detergent brand, so you know it's reliable. What people say. This detergent excels in removing even the toughest stains. Whether it's grease, dirt, or food stains, Tide powder gets the job done efficiently. The Mountain Spring scent is refreshingly clean without being overpowering. It leaves clothes smelling fresh and crisp. Tide powder delivers a powerful clean with each wash. It works well in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines, ensuring that clothes come out bright, clean, and vibrant. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Crisp Clean Laundry Detergent. Experience the superior cleaning power of Arm & Hammer Crisp Clean Laundry Detergent. It's specially designed for a gentle yet effective clean, leaving your clothes fresh and bright. This detergent's deep cleaning formula tackles even the toughest dirt and stains. It works hard so you don't have to. Its unique formula traps dirt in the wash water, preventing it from resettling on your clothes. Enjoy cleaner, brighter laundry every time. While it's tough on dirt, it's gentle on your clothes. It's perfect for all your washable fabrics. This large 18-pound pail provides a long-lasting supply of powerful cleaning. It's the perfect choice for large families or those who do a lot of laundry. Get brilliantly clean clothes with a fresh, crisp scent. It leaves your laundry smelling amazing and feeling soft. What we like? It's specially designed to clean gently while still providing a deep clean. It traps dirt in the wash water, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. If you're looking for a detergent that's tough on dirt but gentle on fabrics, consider this option. It's perfect for those who want a deep clean without harsh chemicals. What people say. The detergent's deep cleaning formula works wonders on tough stains, and I've noticed that my clothes are looking brighter and fresher with every wash. It hasn't let me down. I believe the quality is superb as far as cleaning power not only for clean clothes but getting rid of odors. Powder is less money than adding water, making this the most concentrated. The powder is white, not staining any fabric. The scent is very soft and clean, does not cling onto other items, which is perfect for those who have allergies and low tolerance to certain smells. A little goes a long way. Number 2. Gain Original Powder Laundry Detergent. Experience the power of Gain Original Scent Powder Detergent. Its brilliant cleaning performance will leave your clothes sparkling clean and smelling fresh. It delivers a powerful clean, tackling even the toughest stains with ease. Say goodbye to dirt and grime. Enjoy 6 weeks of freshness, from the moment you wash your clothes until you wear them. It's a scent that lasts. This versatile detergent works perfectly in both regular and high-efficiency washing machines. It's convenient and adaptable to your needs. Like all household cleaning products, keep it out of reach of children. Always store it safely and follow usage instructions. With Gain Original, you get a powerful clean and a long-lasting, refreshing scent. Experience the difference today. What we like? This detergent leaves clothes with a long-lasting, refreshing scent that lasts for up to 6 weeks. If you love a fresh-smelling laundry and need a detergent that works in both regular and high-efficiency machines, this is a great choice. The long-lasting freshness is perfect for busy lifestyles. What people say. Having a soccer player from toddler through collegiate play. I'm seeing every grass, turf, mud stain to exist. After 70+ newborns, from formula to diaper accidents, baby food and everything in between. Or, husband who travels to bring me dirty clothes after the impact of a stain. And can't forget my decade-long equestrian rider. Avid snow skiers and skateboarder. Or the cherry on top. My wannabe cook who spills it all and never pre-treats stains, I'm preaching a tune most mamas know by heart all too well, but just want to set the stage. Hands down, the most refreshing fragrance that is pleasant and won't make you smell of laundry perfume like other brands can do. I want a fresh scent that is present in sheets, towels, clothing, yet has the ability to dissipate with my own perfume and fresh air. Personal preference, I know. This is a light, clean, dare I say floral scent, with add-on dryer sheet and scent booster. I find it is just enough to do the job intended. As for the tricky stains, I love to use Oxy gel with powder and a small brush to activate by pre-treating. I also thrive on the ability to add more or less detergent by powder form without worry of liquid staining on clothing. Whites look bright and colors hold fast. Number 1. Gain Original Powder Laundry Detergent. Experience the power of Gain Original Scent Laundry Detergent. Its brilliant cleaning performance will leave your clothes sparkling clean and smelling fresh. It's formulated to deliver a superior clean, tackling even the toughest stains with ease. Enjoy the long-lasting freshness it provides. This detergent keeps your clothes smelling fresh for up to 6 weeks, from the wash to when you wear them. That's a long-lasting scent you'll love. It's compatible with both regular and high-efficiency washing machines, making it a versatile choice for any household. It's designed for convenience and great results. Like all detergents, keep it away from children. Store it safely to prevent accidental spills or ingestion. Choose Gain Original for a clean that's both powerful and refreshing. Experience the difference today. What we like? This detergent provides brilliant cleaning performance and leaves a refreshing scent that lasts for up to 6 weeks. If you value a long-lasting fresh scent and need a detergent that works in both regular and high-efficiency machines, this is a great choice. The long-lasting freshness is perfect for busy lifestyles. What people say. It's tried and true. And by far the best results I've come across for a reliable detergent. Definitely cleans clothes and takes all the dirt spots out. I'm now choosing to use powder detergent over liquid because I believe you don't need as much powder and powder lasts longer. This is a great value. It cleans thoroughly. You can pre-treat any stains using a paste of detergent and water and rubbing into the stain. I love the powder. And that scent. What can I say about Gain's scent and freshness of your laundry? You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.